And I thought we could start with an overarching challenge that's usually raised in cybersecurity conference when it comes to industrial control systems and critical infrastructure, which is that there's no sort of holistic understanding or the end-to-end picture of risk. But you pointed out that this situation really only manifested in the post-9/11 world. And prior to that, engineers owned everything about their machines. So turbine engineers know everything about turbine risks, including cybersecurity related ones, manufacturing engineers about their manufacturing equipment and so on. But this situation changed in the last 20 years. So tell us about this.
Okay, when I say that, well, what happened was prior to the 9/11, events, 2001, with the plane crashes in the United States, cyber was really a business issue because if control systems don't work, you can't make anything. Well, that's why everything was under the purview of the engineers, because it was a business issue the same way it was a business issue to make sure that the equipment would work. However, IT was kind of an uninvited guest. If you needed IT, you'd go ask for them. But they weren't going to be around playing with your equipment without you telling them exactly what to do. Well, following 9/11, and I don't have a date and I don't have a document, cyber was made national security. And when that happened, cyber were taken from every engineering organization and given to IT because IT was doing cybersecurity. And when that happened, that severed the link between the engineers who knew how the equipment worked and the people who were doing cybersecurity. But unfortunately, it also led to the equipment that didn't look like IT equipment no longer having any cybersecurity in them at all. And what happened was that was never recognized because when it went over to the IT side, or now it's called OT, operational technology, the focus was on the network. So the fact that sensors, valves, motors, relays, all of this engineering stuff was not being addressed didn't mean anything because these people were never addressing it to start with.
Yeah, and some of the examples that you highlighted about the different perspectives that underscore the different perspectives and priorities between, cybersecurity and the engineers will hopefully give our cybersecurity community and listeners, food for thought about some considerations for need of a paradigm shift when it comes to control systems. So thank you very much, Joe, for your time today.
Thank you for having me.